Hey, it's Natalie Hill, and I am here to welcome you to the brand new iteration of my YouTube channel, KDP Beginners Academy. And so, in this iteration of my channel, I am going to go from van life and talking about van life and videos about van life to videos and trainings and tutorials about how to get started and how to publish and how to make money, how to earn royalties, passive income, all of that with Amazon self-publishing, or what is called Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. So I in the next video, I'm going to give you an update of where I have been living van life and, why I made this decision and all that kind of stuff. But for this intro, I just wanted it to be really short. I am going to be learning this process as I share my progress and what I'm learning and what I'm doing with you. And this is basically going to be a beginner helping beginners. And this totally excites me because on Amazon, there is basically no barrier to entry. It is perfectly free, totally free to publish books on Amazon. Amazon does all the work. They do the printing, they do the shipping, they do the billing, they do the refunds, they do everything. You just get the royalties. So it is a very cool process and I'm super excited. I've just published my second book, and I am just ready to dive into this deeper into publishing and into sharing what I'm doing. So I invite you to comment below the videos, ask any questions that you have. What would you like me to learn next? If it's something I know, I'll probably add it to my video list. If it's something I don't know, I'll look into it and see, does this make sense for this to be the next thing for me to learn so that I can share it with you. So remember, you are never too old and it is never too late to live your precious life. You can do this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, like, do all of that cool things, and I'll see you in the next video.